Safety Toolbox Talk number 221. Work at height safety precautions during monsoon. During monsoon season, working at height can pose additional safety risks due to slippery surfaces, increased wind speeds, and reduced visibility. Here are some precautions to ensure safety. Regular inspection. Before starting work, inspect all equipment such as ladders, scaffolding, and safety harnesses for any damage or wear and tear. Ensure that they are in good condition. Weather monitoring. Keep an eye on weather forecasts and avoid working at heights during heavy rain, thunderstorms, or high winds. Postpone tasks if weather conditions deteriorate. Emergency procedures. Establish emergency procedures for evacuation and rescue in case of accidents or adverse weather conditions. Ensure that all workers are familiar with these procedures. Communication. Maintain clear communication between workers, supervisors, and other personnel involved in the work at height. Use radios or other communication devices to stay in touch, especially in noisy or windy conditions. Safe access and egress. Ensure that access and egress routes to elevated work areas are safe and free from obstacles, mud, or standing water. Secure tools and materials. Secure all tools and materials to prevent them from being blown away by strong winds. Use tool lanyards or tethering systems to prevent dropped objects. Guardrails and tow boards. Ensure that guardrails and tow boards are installed and properly secured to prevent falls from elevated work platforms or scaffolding. Lighting. Maintain adequate lighting for working areas, especially during periods of low visibility due to heavy rain or fog. Training and supervision. Provide workers with appropriate training on working at heights safely during monsoon conditions. Ensure that supervisors are vigilant and enforce safety procedures. Fall protection equipment. Use safety harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points when working at heights. Ensure that they are properly inspected and worn correctly at all times. Non-slip footwear. Wear appropriate footwear with good grip to prevent slipping on wet surfaces. Consider using anti-slip shoe covers or boots with deep treads for better traction. Regular maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain all equipment, structures, and access points used for working at heights to ensure their integrity and stability, especially during the monsoon season when they may be exposed to harsh weather conditions. Thank you.